Hi everyone, welcome to Purposeful Crafts. Today let's see how to make a multi-purpose stand. This stand is made out of old newspapers. It is very easy to make and can be used for organizing any kind of things like office or craft items. Things required is given in the description box below. Now let's get started. Take a newspaper, measure 26 cm breadthwise and cut it out. Arrange newspaper like this, find the center by folding and then make diagonal cuts on both the sides. You should get a pointed center so that it will be easy to roll the papers. With the help of a grill stick, start to roll the paper from center. It will be easy and you could roll papers very quickly. Also, glue to secure the ends and remove the stick. Now we have got an even and smooth paper roll. Repeat the process to make a bunch of 26 cm paper rolls. Now let's make 18 cm paper rolls similarly. Cut diagonally, get the sharp center, roll and glue. Do the same to get a bunch of 10 cm paper rolls. Now paint black and white color for the paper rolls. Mark 1 cm and 25 cm onto the paper roll and divide the center portion into 3 divisions with 8 cm each. Mark all the divisions onto the long paper roll just like this. It's easy when you arrange all the rolls and then mark it using a scale. Now all the markings are done onto the paper rolls. Apply glue onto the markings and arrange white paper roll one over the other just like this. Once the first layer is glued, place weight and leave the glue to dry. For the next layer, you need to place black paper rolls. Glue on to the marked places so that you get the exact shape. Continue the process by placing black and then white and then black paper rolls. Once 5 layers are reached, apply glue and place onto the back 2 rows, leaving the front row. Keep the medium sized, that is 18 cm paper rolls onto the middle and back rows. Continue stacking one above the other as shown here. Once 3 layers is reached, repeat the same process for short sized, that is 10 cm paper rolls by stacking only onto the back row. Here I have also given 3 layers. Now straighten up using scale before the glue dries. Once the glue is dried, paint if there is any traces of pen. Line up the rolls at the bottom to cover the base. Apply extra glue to have a sturdy bottom. To make it stronger, fill few drops of hot glue inside the rolls and give a coat of school glue between the rolls. Finally, give a coat of glossy varnish to the completed stand. Thus, we got a modern and trendy stand just out of old newspapers. You could use this stand for several purposes like office use or cosmetics holder or any home organizer. Here I have kept my art and craft supplies in the stand. To know more interesting projects like this, please stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, post your feedback and share it with your friends. Let's meet soon with another purposeful craft again. Thank you. Bye-bye.